ESTJs get energized by roles where they can organize people and processes. They pay close attention to efficiency and are great at managing resources and operations. Their natural tendency towards leadership and responsibility makes them invaluable in roles that need a strong presence. While ESTJs are versatile, some careers might feel stifling or overly chaotic. Here are 3 specific jobs they might find unsatisfying. Event coordinator. Juggling multiple tasks without a set routine and constantly shifting plans. The unpredictability and lack of structure can be frustrating for structure-loving ESTJs. Freelance artist. Highly self-directed, varied tasks, and income. The lack of stability and external structure can be stressful for an ESTJ who thrives on predictability and order. Social worker. Handling emotionally charged situations, often without clear resolutions. The emotional unpredictability and lack of control over outcomes can be draining for ESTJs who prefer clear, logical, and structured environments. These careers lack the structure and predictability ESTJs thrive on, often requiring high levels of adaptability and emotional resilience that can clash with their preference for order and logic. Remember, while these suggestions match typical ESTJ traits, your personal interests, the time you're willing to invest in education, and your life circumstances should guide your final decision. For detailed information on specific career paths, growth opportunities, and salary potentials, be sure to visit the Bureau of Labor Statistics at bls.gov. Let's explore 10 careers that best match the ESTJ personality. Healthcare administrator. Overseeing medical facilities, managing staff, and ensuring compliance with healthcare laws. This combines the ESTJ's skills in management with their desire to implement and follow through on systems. It offers a structured environment where they can lead effectively. Real estate broker. Managing property sales, interacting with clients, and closing deals. This job offers a structured approach to sales and the opportunity to lead in negotiations. It's ideal for the assertive ESTJ who enjoys a clear process. Elected official. Serving in a governmental role, making decisions that affect the public, and working within the framework of government to implement policies. This career leverages the ESTJ's strong leadership abilities and their respect for tradition and authority. It provides a platform for impactful decision-making. Quality control manager. Monitoring and testing materials or products to ensure they meet established quality standards and developing quality control systems. This aligns with the ESTJ's attention to detail and drive for consistency and quality. It allows them to maintain high standards. Urban planner. Developing plans and programs for land use in urban areas, engaging with public officials, and ensuring sustainable community development. This role allows ESTJs to use their organizational skills to impact community structures. They ensure efficient use of space. School principal. Running a school, enforcing educational standards, and leading teachers and staff. This combines leadership with the ability to shape educational policies and structures. It is ideal for the methodical ESTJ. Civil engineer. Designing infrastructure projects, overseeing construction, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Many ESTJs find civil engineering rewarding as it requires both precision and authority. It involves planning and executing detailed projects. Military officer, leading soldiers, planning missions, and making strategic decisions. The military's hierarchical structure and clear rules are a natural fit for the orderly ESTJ. It provides a structured environment with clear roles. Attorney, arguing cases in court, researching legal documents, and advising clients. Law practice offers a clear set of rules and the chance to lead in the courtroom. It's perfect for the argumentative ESTJ. Operations manager, managing daily operations, improving productivity, and coordinating multiple departments. This role capitalizes on the ESTJ's strengths in leadership, organization, and efficiency. It makes them the linchpin of any operation. Each of these careers leverages the ESTJ's skills and preferences, offering opportunities to lead, organize, and work within structured environments. Which career suggestion seems like the best fit for you? For more insights into the ESTJ life, explore the resources linked in the video description. Feel free to check out our other ESTJ videos on the Personality Playbook channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you reach your full potential.